to be scared of you because you're a cop?
Nope, you're not supposed to be scared of me because
I gotta listen to you, you're a cop? What are you gonna do, kill me?
No, I did. Oh, really? I'm gonna take you down for that now.
Around now.
And bump me again like that. And I'm trying to get,
I told you to stop.
What the fuck are you doing that for?
Walmart is the largest retailer in the world, but what happens when customers think they can pick up items and leave without paying? Here are 4 times customers tried to outsmart cops, starting with this man who pretended to be an employee.
Well, it's not going to, so you gotta ring it.
Don't get smart. I just said that.
You work here, right? Yeah.
On May 28, 2020, a police officer confronted a 29-year-old shoplifter attempting to leave Walmart with a carriage filled with a grill, 2 air conditioners, and a grill cover. He insisted that he tried to pay, but blamed his phone's Wi-Fi for the transaction failure. However, what ensued was far from the usual resistance, which led to an unexpectedly remarkable encounter.
You gotta walk this way. You gotta walk this way, okay? I need you to walk this way.
I'm trying to purchase my stuff.
Okay, you passed the point of sale station.
I didn't put anything. I thought it went through. It did not. So I'm trying to bring it back up on my phone. She just trying to help me. That's what
okay,
I said to her.
We're gonna walk this way. We're gonna step out of line.
I'm still buying my stuff.
Okay, you're not buying your stuff anymore.
I'm buying my stuff. You want to stop me from buying my stuff?
Okay, now I am gonna stop you.
You want to stop me from buying my stuff that I'm trying to pay for?
I'm going to. Okay.
Why?
Because I have the legal right to.
Why?
Okay, I have.
Why are you going to stop me from? First of all, you're within 6 feet of my space. I'm trying to figure out why. I'm trying to figure out why you stopped me from stopping my stuff.
I get a unit to Walmart.
I don't care what you call a unit. I'm trying to buy my stuff. My app didn't work. I'm trying to correct that.
Okay.
Now you telling me I can't correct it.
So.
You tell me I can't correct it. I'm trying to figure out why. She just tried to help me. It didn't work. I'm trying to do it again. I just told her the same thing.
Okay, so. They have
so I'm going to still buy my stuff, and if you don't like it, then oh well.
Okay.
From the moment the man spoke, his tense tone and visible agitation hinted at guilt, prompting the officer to call for backup. As the situation escalated, the man realized his chance of getting away was diminishing, so he had to think of another way to make his escape.
Officer, don't touch me.
I'm about to spray you. I will spray you. No, you're not. No, now you're being detained.
Detained for what?
Okay.
Detained for what?
Because I have to identify you.
Identify me for what? I have Walmart Pay. It did not work. I made a mistake and went right back to the register.
Okay.
While she raised her voice at me, I asked the girl to help me. Come on.
No.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Listen.
Officer, you're touching me.
I will spray you.
You're touching me. Stop touching me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not. Stop touching me. I didn't do anything to you. Why are you touching me? Like, what is wrong with you?
Listen, get your hands out of your pocket.
Officer, listen. Stop! I'm not doing nothing! What's wrong with you? Like, what's wrong with you? I'm not even doing nothing! Stop! Stop!
Stop resisting! Stop!
Okay. Stop! Let me just stop! I'm gonna spray you in your eyes! I'm gonna spray you directly in your eyes! Just stand up! No! Stop! Hold on, wait my eye out!
Stop.
Why are y'all doing this?
Yo, he's on fault.
Hey, why are you doing this?
I'm fine. Squeeze yourself out.
Hold on a second. Wait.
Squeeze out.
Wait a second. My earpod. Chill out.
Release your hair now. Release your. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop.
I don't have anything. I stopped already. Hey, what's wrong with you? A Walmart Pay didn't work. Y'all bugging on me? A Walmart Pay?
Luckily, backup arrived on time and they were able to apprehend him, but he decided that he wasn't going down that easy.
Can you stand me up, please? Just stand me up. Damn, dude, where you go? Why are you acting like that? Can you get my earpod? Can you get my earpod, please?
In the car. Walk for it.
Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Hold on. Check his pockets. Hang tight.
Get off me!
Stop. Stop.
No, I'm not. the fuck just happened?
You gotta relax.
Fuck off.
Stop.
Fuck off. Order me. Get off. Get off. Take this cuff off. Take this cuff off. What's wrong with you?
No. Get in.
What's wrong with you? Why are you fighting me? Somebody just died. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
The car.
What's wrong with you? Get in the car. Why are you hitting me? Hey, why are you hitting me? Come and record this. Why are you hitting me? I will get in the car, no problem.
Get in.
Sit in the car. All right, then turn and get in the car.
What's wrong with you?
Then gang in the...
I can't. Y'all got me stuck here.
Okay.
Take a seat.
Sit everywhere. It's hanging.
I said one place.
Get in
One
the
place.
car.
All right.
You just mixed it in my face. Over my Walmart pay not working.
Get in the car.
I'm not getting no. Call your lieutenant. Call your lieutenant. That's crazy.
Supervisor's right behind you.
You fucking asshole.
I'm not being an asshole. You have to beat my ass.
Get in the car.
Hey, Dan, can you go on my phone? Wait, I got you. Let me help you. Can I help you?
Get your fucking...
I'm trying to. You have it.
The officer was injured during the altercation, and the suspect was finally taken to the police station and faced charges, including assault on a police officer, interference with a police officer, larceny, and drug possession with intent to sell. If you found the suspect in this case challenging, wait until you see the level of violence exhibited by the woman in the next case.
Let go.
I'm not gonna let go. We're gonna call the police and deal with this the right way.
That's not
Okay.
the right way to take someone's purse.
In Oregon, on March 14th, 2017, a store manager confronted a customer named Sarah Jarvis in the parking lot, accusing her of theft. Their interaction escalated quickly as he tried to retrieve the suspected stolen items, resulting in Sarah losing her balance and falling. Despite this, she persisted and followed the manager back into the store, which sparked the start of a very dramatic tug of war. Realizing she couldn't simply walk away from the store, Sarah was determined to use any means to escape, even resorting to kicking the manager and feigning tears. With the police closing in, her resolve to break free only grew stronger.
Please check out.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I will
Stop
start
it.
kicking again.
Well, start kicking. Watch what happens. Oh, really? Stop it!
Don't you hit her.
Stop it!
Don't. She's still smaller than you.
I'm not hitting her.
I
I'm fighting
do.
myself. Stop it!
Don't bite him either.
Stop it!
Let go of me
You're
now.
being filmed, ma'am, and everybody is pointing out what you're doing.
Let go. You can't detain me.
Sarah, who had previously been fiercely combative and actively resisting, suddenly became compliant upon seeing the police. Quite ironic how quickly her demeanor changed. She was eventually charged with robbery, and in Oregon, shoplifting can lead to serious consequences, including up to 10 years in jail and a $250,000 fine. If there was a competition for the most annoying person, the next suspect would be a worthy opponent for Sarah.
Ma'am, push the car inside the store.
I'll put my card inside the store before I snap.
All right, go ahead and pull your card up over here for me.
Okay, so what are y'all talking about? What
Okay.
What is it? Because it's two transactions.
Do you have an ID on you?
No. But I can tell
Okay,
you my
so
name.
let's stop right now, okay? I'm stopping you for shoplifting. If you want to leave out of here, you're gonna change your attitude. Stop. If you want to leave out of here, you're gonna change your attitude.
Okay.
If not, I'll just take you to the county, because I really don't care.
I don't go to jail.
You don't? Because you
What
can't
I'm telling you
today.
is,
On August 18th, 2022, in Florida, Officer Latham was working extra duty at Walmart and observed a woman through the CCTV system select a purse from the shelf, remove the price tag, and then place various other merchandise inside the purse. When she passed all points of sale and exited the store, Officer Latham confronted the woman and asked her to follow him to his office. But it didn't go as smoothly as he would have imagined.
Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
Right.
Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
Or in the
I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Step inside, have a seat on
I'm
the
gonna
bench.
step inside and you gonna let me out. I'm gonna step inside. She got what she wanted, and that's the case. Here go my food stamp card. Give me back all my money on them, and I will leave. I will simply leave. I don't want shit from Walmart. I'll go to Walmart on 441. Period. I'm not writing down. I'm not gonna have my name legally.
Have a seat.
Nothing because I ain't do shit.
Have
No,
a
I'm
seat.
standing up because
No,
I'm trying to
you're
talk
going to
now.
have a seat.
The officer managed to restrain her with handcuffs as he summoned his supervisor to the scene. He then requested her to take a seat, which she complied with, but only for a short time.
Cause the way you slapped me on my motherfucking face.
Have a seat.
Why you slap me on my face? My
Have a
face
seat.
hurt.
Have a
My
seat.
face is killing me.
Have a seat now.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat. Are you going back on the ground?
Don't not bump my
Have
head.
a seat.
You fucking aggressive, bro. To the wrong fucking people.
Stay seated.
I am seated.
And do not get up.
Alright. Uncuff me then. You don't even supposed to handle a woman like that.
Latham, how are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good, man.
Yeah. Refusing to comply.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Trying to put her in cuffs. Wanted to keep pulling away.
Okay.
Tried to walk out of the office.
You body slammed me. You stood up there and looked in my arm. That's not even no petty theft. I've never been arrested for any fucking thing. Man, get this shit up off me. He got this cuff in my hand, and I swear for God, I will call my daddy that's a lawyer, and you will regret it.
Take a seat, man.
Sit down.
Y'all let me have an anxiety attack.
15th Division northbound.
Take your card, give me my money back. I'll go somewhere else. Take my card, give me my money back. Straight up. Because what you're not finna do is manhandle me and act like I'm not gonna do shit about it. Because if you was my man, I'll slap you dead in your shit for putting your hand on a female. You got me fucked up. I ain't never been in motherfucking trouble. I'm not no troublemaker. Still have not yet loosened this country. So if I cut up and I act a fool, it's on you.
No, it's on you.
It ain't on me.
No, it is.
Because I asked politely to unloosen my cuff.
The cuffs are all right, man.
To unloosen my... How?
What you mean, huh?
Do you see this?
They're not
Do
made
you
for-
see that it's eating me?
I can't
Do you
see
see
it.
that I got red marks?
Nah, I can't. I don't see it. Your shirt over.
Okay.
Your shirt over.
And then my shirt is my jacket because he slammed me in my face. That's why he made my flipper come out.
Does she have family out there?
Yeah. Do you want the guy and the ladies you're with to take your stuff?
What do you mean?
Take your wallet.
They're gonna take your wallet. Do you want your family to take your wallet?
For what?
Because you've been arrested, man.
Because you're being arrested.
Being arrested for what?
You're going to jail.
Yeah.
Why am I going to jail?
This woman, desperate to evade jail time, went as far as requesting medical attention, yet the officers remained unmoved. She was banned from Walmart for a year and eventually charged with resisting an officer without violence and theft, and was subsequently taken to jail. While the actions of this woman were unacceptable, the suspects in the next case did something even more shocking. On November 25th, 2022, two suspects were caught on camera using a self-checkout trick, filling duffel bags with items and scanning only one item, a Halloween costume. Their suspicious behavior prompted security and police intervention, which led to a very unusual struggle.
How's it going? We can go in here and talk. We're gonna walk in there. Stop. Do it. It is just today, 10:18. Stop fighting. You're gonna get tased. Lay down. Stay down. Watch.
Despite being tased, the man managed to escape from the officer, but fortunately backup arrived on time and intercepted him just outside Walmart, as he was about to make his escape.
Fucking stop now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground!
behind your back. Hurry up!
Let me talk to you.
Get the fuck on the ground.
This guy out there. You're making me do it. You. Listen.
977. Mainly on the west side of Walmart.
Hey, look, let me tell you something.
Put your fucking hands behind your back!
It's a party one. Hey, please.
Put your fucking hand behind your back!
Hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back!
Got it. Look, I want to tell you this.
Come on.
Please. Let me talk to you. Hey, sir. Look, sir.
966, we got one.
Sir. Can I please talk to you?
The suspect was eventually apprehended and placed in handcuffs, while police also located the second individual, who almost literally begged them to arrest him.
Go away. Just go away by the vehicle for me, man. I appreciate you not getting involved.
Right here on the pickup. That's how I'm going. Need this pickup. That's it. My girlfriend's over here.
That's fine. Keep going. Man, you said you were walking your friends. Take off.
I know, I'm calling my girlfriend to get
Take off.
Keys,
You've been following back and forth with this guy. Go.
Boy,
I know you're with him.
Keys.
Leave.
Okay, I pay for my shit. I got money in my fucking pocket.
Leave.
Alright.
You can walk around and away.
Touch me too, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, hoe? I'm calling my girlfriend to get his car keys.
This, he was with him. That's why. Yeah. It was just a scuffling.
I fucking checked out one thing and then he fucking tried to take off with all this stuff. Yeah.
You need to walk away from me, man. You need to go.
I'm waiting for my girlfriend, man.
You staying right with me everywhere I go.
Oh, I'm fucking going this way, motherfucker. Get my fucking girlfriend for the car keys. What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
You want him in the store? You want him in the store?
No, it's trespassing. Just come outside because we're gonna make a bit. Why?
Because we're done with you.
Hey, look, I'm calling my girlfriend, man. Hey, look, I'll resist, man. Look.
Get on the fucking ground.
Rosario, they got me right here in the front. They're handcuffing me too.
Stop.
Get on the ground. They're right here. Just come, Rosario. I'm running, grab his car keys.
I'm running outside.
Okay, we're running outside because they're handcuffing me for no reason because I want to go get you. Oh my god.
The first suspect faced charges including shoplifting, conspiracy to commit shoplifting, evading or obstructing an officer, possession of a controlled substance, and trafficking of a controlled substance. The second suspect was charged with shoplifting and conspiracy to commit shoplifting. However, all charges were later dropped by the New Mexico District Attorney's Office. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Until next time.